Welcome to Mrs. Dawson's Math 6 Open House. This is a recording for those of you who could not make it, or for those of you who just so enjoyed watching my open house you wanted to see it again. Just joking. Here's my contact information. Email, of course, is most preferred, so I'm sure you've received at least one email from me. Please make sure you contact me anytime you need assistance. This is a little bit of the background that I shared with our classes. One of the things that I'd like to point out is when I did work at Lamping, the last 6 to 7 years I spent in 5th grade. Therefore, I'm very familiar with the 5th grade curriculum, and I know what needs to be applied for 6th grade and success in 7th grade as well. The major parts of the class expectation that I would like for you to be aware of is that the students need to make sure they come to class with a notebook. I also find that it is very important for students to be in the Google Meet. I understand that there are unforeseen circumstances where students cannot be there, and there are videotaped lessons, which I will show you. However, it is really important that they attend the Google Meet. We go over things and ask questions in more detail than what the video expectation is. There are synchronous and asynchronous times. It is really important that the students are on time as well, because I am filling in gaps for the 9 weeks that were missing from last year. So I try to keep it to a minimum, but there's often times when we go 45 minutes where I need to give a good explanation of what we may have missed in 5th grade. So really important, stick with me, stay in class, do not leave early, and let's keep working on our math skills. More expectations. One thing that I need to highlight is that the notes are their working textbook. Students don't have a textbook, their notes are their textbook. Very important to be neat. Another thing that I really would like to point out is that any quiz, lesson quiz that is, can be retaken for 100%. We learn from our mistakes in math. Please encourage your child to do that. If their work is late, it's not docked. The only time that they will not be able to get credit for their assignment is if we've already taken the test and we're past that, the unit test. For right now, our unit test is tentatively scheduled for October 5th or 6th. There is a difference between Canvas and Infinite Campus. Canvas is where our classroom is. It's where our assignments are. They can check their missing work. They would submit work. Infinite Campus is the official grade book. The two, Canvas merges with Infinite Campus at night, so the grades are uploaded at night. Sometimes it takes more than just a day. It might take 2 to 3 days. So please contact me if you are seeing things not being updated regularly. Here is a Canvas video help. I'm going to allow you to watch that on your own when you receive the slideshow. And here is something that you should be pretty aware of, because our lesson quizzes, which we will have a bunch of because those are the daily assignments, are worth 20%. Summative are worth 80%. There's a few of those, but not as many. So these are the ones that are going to be worth the most in the grade. I did change half credit. I will allow students to get full credit on their quiz, but they will need to upload or send me a photo of the completed work. More information to follow. When we take our test, there will be a practice test in advance. There will be no surprises. Students will be expected to complete the practice test before the test is given, and therefore there is no corrections on tests. Sorry about that. This has been a really interesting process and a humbling experience. So online learning is definitely a work in progress. I will continue to keep you informed of the different decisions that I make. These are the units of studies that we will be working on throughout the year. If you have not joined Remind, please do so here. Here are some clubs, and welcome back video and a PTO video. You will not be able to click on this video to get to these links. However, in the slideshow that is accompanying this video, you should be able to do so there. Please know that I am available to answer questions anytime that's needed. Please contact me via the email that I gave you on slide 1. Boom. Thank you.